Looking for a budget-friendly hybrid solar inverter without compromising on quality? In this video, we explore the best affordable inverters of 2025 that deliver reliable solar power, pure sine wave output, and smart energy management. Save money, reduce bills, and keep your home running smoothly with these top picks. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest videos. Okay, let's get started. Number 5. ECGSOLAX 4.2 kilowatts, 6.2 kilowatts Hybrid Solar Inverter. The ECGSOLAX 4.2 kilowatts, 6.2 kilowatts Hybrid Solar Inverter is an excellent budget-friendly option for reliable power in 2025. Designed for off-grid use, it can run efficiently without batteries, making it ideal for homes seeking affordable solar solutions. It also supports lead-acid, gel, and lithium batteries, offering users flexible power options for different needs. Its comprehensive LCD display ensures easy operation. Users can adjust battery charging currents, select AC or solar priority, and set input voltages based on their application. This makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Equipped with a 120A MPPT controller, it maximizes solar power with up to 6500 W input capacity. Key highlights include pure sine wave output, Wi-Fi and GPRS monitoring, and one key factory reset. Plus, the dust-proof kit ensures durability in harsh environments, making ECGSOLAX a smart, powerful, and budget-friendly choice for modern homes. Number 4. Anern 6.2 kW/4.2 kW Hybrid Solar Inverter. The Anern 6.2 kW/4.2 kW Hybrid Solar Inverter is designed for users who want power, flexibility, and smart performance on a budget. This off-grid inverter delivers pure sine wave output and can run without batteries, making it perfect for homes looking to reduce electricity costs. It supports dual output and includes a built-in 120A MPPT solar controller, which efficiently manages solar input up to 6500 W. Its wide PV input range of 60 to 450 volts DC ensures stable performance even in changing sunlight conditions. The inverter also features automatic lithium battery activation, one key factory reset, and a smart battery charging design that extends battery life. With Wi-Fi connectivity for iOS and Android, users can monitor performance in real time. Compact, durable, and efficient, the Anern Hybrid Solar Inverter is a smart and affordable solution for modern solar energy systems. Number 3. YINGFA Ryzen 3.6 kW Hybrid Solar Inverter. The YINGFA Ryzen 3.6 kW Hybrid Pure Sine Wave Inverter is an excellent budget-friendly solution for homes seeking reliable solar power. It can operate with or without a battery, allowing flexibility for different energy setups. Users can draw power from solar panels, grid electricity, or batteries, making it ideal for off-grid and on-grid use. Equipped with MPPT technology, it handles a wide PV input range of 60 to 450 VDC and achieves maximum conversion efficiency of 98%, ensuring minimal energy loss. The inverter supports lead-acid and lithium batteries with easy installation and smart charging options. Other key features include dual load output, pure sine wave AC output, 100A AC charging, and a compact, lightweight design at 10 kilograms. The YINGFA Ryzen 3.6 kW inverter is durable, energy efficient, and perfect for modern homes looking for an affordable hybrid solar solution. Number 2. SUMRY 4kW Hybrid Solar Inverter. The SUMRY 4kW Hybrid Solar Inverter is a smart and reliable choice for budget-conscious homeowners. Designed for on-grid and off-grid use, it delivers a pure sine wave output, ensuring safe operation for all home appliances. This inverter can run without a battery, providing flexibility for different energy setups. Equipped with a 120 amp MPPT solar charger, it efficiently manages solar input up to 4200 W. Its wide PV input range of 60 to 500 volts DC ensures stable performance under fluctuating sunlight. The inverter also features dual output, one key factory reset, and automatic lithium battery activation, making it easy to manage. Additional highlights include built-in anti-dust kit, smart battery charging design, Wi-Fi and GPRS monitoring, and a compact, lightweight design. The SUMRY hybrid inverter combines durability, efficiency, and affordability, making it perfect for modern home solar energy needs. Number 1. Growatt 12 kW Hybrid Inverter. The Growatt 12 kW Hybrid Inverter, SPE 12000ES, is an efficient and reliable choice for homeowners and small businesses looking for budget-friendly solar solutions. Featuring dual MPPT trackers, it maximizes solar energy harvest and ensures stable power output. Its dual outputs allow smart load management, making it ideal for running essential and non-essential appliances simultaneously. With a maximum PV input voltage of 550 VDC, the inverter handles varying sunlight conditions effectively. It also includes dual AC input terminals with an integrated transfer switch, supporting uninterrupted power supply during grid fluctuations. The grid-tied function with peak shaving reduces electricity costs while ensuring smooth energy management. This hybrid inverter supports parallel operation up to 108 kW, allowing future expansion. With smart device connectivity via Wi-Fi, the Growatt 12 kW hybrid inverter delivers reliable, efficient, and scalable solar energy for homes and offices alike.